Welcome, welcome to the Hoppers Down Under. This morning we're off to feed our animals, our chickens, cockatiels and budgies. We shall show you what happens very soon. Alright my beautifuls, everyone stand back, good girls, upsy daisy, here we go. Oh really? Oh, we all love mum this morning, don't we? Okay. Alright, come on, lovelies. Oh, I know. Isn't this fabulous? Are you ready? What mummy's got. Here we go. Oh, that's just... What the white one's eating is just some wheat. They all get into it. They love their wheat. Oh, you want me to tip it up? Do you want me to tip it up? Would you like me to tip it up? Here you go. There's your bit. There's your bit. There's your bit. There's your bit. You want to eat out of the container for me? Oh, you're good girls. Yeah, sure is such a good girl. Oh, you really had to hit that bottom, don't you? Oh, yes, you're sharing. Good girl. You love to share. You love to share? Want to share more? Good girls. There we go. All right. You want some pellets? There you go. Have that pellet for a minute. No, they won't eat out of that. They've got their own special container. I'll show what they eat out of. Hang on. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, bark. Okay. Bark, 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 bark. Oh, really? Bark, 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 bark. Bark. Is that all you got to say? It is. Good girls. Really? Oh, dreadful, isn't it? Yes, we know it's all wet and rainy. Anything else? Okay. All right. Back soon for breakfast. Good morning, girls. How are we? Come on, around to the gate. Round to the front gate. Back, front gate. Off we go. That's the girls. Ready? Really? And how are we this morning, young ladies? Really? What else happened? Yeah? Oh, that's interesting to know. All right. Is there an egg there for me? Yes or no? You don't know. Okay. All right. You ready, young ladies? Ready? Run, 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 run. Who's coming to the gate for Mummy? Oh, Mummy's baby girls. All right, ladies. Girls, come on, hop out the way. There we go. Come on, girls. Good girls. Good morning, young ladies. How are we? Really? Is that all you got to say? Oh, you're running off to Frank, are we? Yes, I know, darling. You're going to let me show you? Ah, look, see, they eat out of this special casserole dish. Yes, they eat out of glass bowls. Or ceramic. Then... oh, really, girls? Oh, okay. So what's in my little special container is pellets, a bit of red hen, and then the cautions I put with it is their wheat. Oh, the girls love that. And then, hang on, darling. And then what I do, I give it a bit of mix up. Hello, darling. Yeah. Then I'm going to a feed of that for a minute, and then they're all happy. Isn't that right, girls? Yes, I know. Isn't it wonderful? Oh. Well, they got one more treat to come. It's called greens and corn. Here we go. Watch this is the best part of all, isn't it, sweetie? Yeah. Here we go. Watch this. Alright, come on. Girls. Come on. Greens, let's go. Who wants some? Yeah. Come on. Oh, you. God, I can't even get rid of it. Up, there goes one bit of corn. There goes another. Hang on, girls. Girls. There we go, darlings. So see, I even put it down. Look at them. Come on, let me get it emptied out, please. Good girls. Come on, here. Here we go, darlings. Yeah. Just on the other side of this big cage closure is the males. There are two big ones. Isn't that right, my babies? Here we go, darling. All done. Alright. They're happy. This is one of my beautiful boys. He's the head honcho of the group. Tries to be, but doesn't work out that way. This is one of the boys from last year. Oh, really? That's a lovely greeting. And around here is the other boy. And he's from last year's lot as well. You carry on, don't you, my young boy? Yes, you do. What'd you find? Oh, did you find yourself some little worms? Oh, good boy. Now, these birds in here are cockatiels. They love their greens. This little one here was tamed, but unfortunately because we've got cats, we can't keep her inside no more. But she still likes to be pat and cuddle now and again. Sometimes. Come on. Yeah, just sometimes.
Near the budgies.
And over to the budgies. Oh yes, I know, babies. We have a bit of a mixture now. We've got from English to little Aussies, little Australian ones.
Yeah, bush budgies.
Bush ones. Yeah. Hello, my gorgeous man.
There, girls and boys. Oh, you got this ring in there.
See. Hey, Sam.
Sam. Danny.
Are you going to start singing for me? You are. You're a good boy, aren't you? Yeah.
How you going, Hammerhead? Hammerhead 2, how are we?
Yes, our number 2 one. We've actually got a pair sitting up the far back there. It's just a matter of time when they start breeding. No, right. Alright then. Thanks guys. You all have a lovely day. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. And if you're watching from the USA, happy Father's Day. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching the Hoppers Down Under. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment. Please share, as I'm trying to get to 20 subscribers. Thank you. Bye.